In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GTD Workflow in Notion. We're setting up a simple, reliable system inspired by getting things done, so you can capture ideas and tasks quickly and keep them organized without friction. The goal here is clarity, a single place to collect everything, a clear way to add timing, and a straightforward method to categorize work by project. Start by opening the Notion website. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, log in and you'll see your sidebar, which is where new pages live. Create a new page. You can do this from the sidebar with the New Page button. Give it a clear name that you'll recognize later. Inside this page, add a database. A table is perfect because it's simple and fast to use. Name this database Inbox. In the GTD method, the inbox is your central collection bin. Everything you need to remember goes here first. Tasks, ideas, reminders, and notes all belong in the inbox the moment they come to mind. Keep entries short and actionable. Each row is one item, and you can always refine details later. This keeps your capture process quick, which is critical for staying consistent. Now, add a property for timing. Create a date property and name it due date. This lets you assign a specific deadline when it matters, or leave it blank if timing isn't set yet. Due date helps you focus on what's time-sensitive without cluttering the rest of your list. You can sort or glance at the dates to see what needs attention soon. Next, you'll want a way to categorize tasks by the work they belong to. Create another database called Projects. A simple table works well here too. Each row represents a distinct project you're actively working on or tracking. To connect your tasks to projects, add a relation property in your inbox that links to the project's database. This lets you assign each task to a project with a single click. As you do this, you'll be able to see how each project is progressing by viewing all the related tasks in one place, and you'll maintain a clean separation between capturing work and organizing it. From here on, use your inbox as your default drop zone, add a due date when it's helpful, and tag the task to a project when you know where it belongs. That's it. Simple, clear, and true to GTD.